Have you ever wondered why some people achieve extraordinary success, while others, with equal talent, do not? This intriguing question has boggled many minds. We often attribute success to the individual's talent and effort, a traditional understanding that has been deeply ingrained in our minds. The idea that hard work pays off and practice makes perfect is not entirely wrong, but it's just a part of the bigger picture. Enter Outliers, a book penned by Malcolm Gladwell. In this compelling read, Gladwell challenges our conventional notion of success, suggesting a different approach to understanding it. He argues that success is not solely the result of one's talent and effort, but is rather a complex interplay of external factors. Factors such as cultural background, family upbringing, opportunity and timing, he suggests, play a crucial role in shaping exceptional achievement. Let us delve deeper into Gladwell's perspective on achieving extraordinary success. In the book Outliers, Gladwell argues that external factors play a crucial role in shaping exceptional achievement. Indeed, it's a compelling perspective that encourages us to look beyond the individual to the broader context in which success is cultivated. Let's start with cultural background. Gladwell posits that our cultural heritage, with its unique values, traditions, and expectations, can significantly influence our trajectory towards success. He recounts the story of the Asian farmers who, because of their cultural practice of relentless rice farming, developed a work ethic that translated into academic excellence. Then there's family upbringing. Gladwell suggests that the environment in which we grow up, the values instilled in us, and the opportunities provided by our parents can set the stage for remarkable achievement. The tale of the Canadian hockey players, whose birthdays fell in the first 3 months of the year, illustrates this point. Their parents unknowingly provided them with a unique advantage by enrolling them in hockey leagues at a young age. Opportunity, too, plays a vital role. Gladwell maintains that being in the right place at the right time and being prepared to seize the moment can be the difference between mediocrity and extraordinary achievement. Consider the story of Bill Gates, who had access to a high school computer at a time when such a thing was unheard of. This early exposure gave him a head start that eventually led to the creation of Microsoft. Lastly, timing. The era in which we're born, the economic conditions, societal trends, all these can tip the scales in favor of success. The tale of the most successful lawyers in New York, who were all born in the mid-1930s, underscores the impact of timing. So as we see, Gladwell compellingly argues that success is not just about individual talent or effort. It's also about the cultural background, family upbringing, opportunities seized, and the timing. These factors, often overlooked, hold significant sway over our potential to succeed. Gladwell's Outliers is filled with stories of individuals who defy the norm and achieve extraordinary success. Let's dive into a few of these tales. Consider the case of Bill Gates, an extraordinary outlier. His success wasn't just about his genius intellect, it was also down to the fact he had access to a high school computer at a time when such a thing was almost unheard of. Then there's the story of Canadian hockey players. Those born in the early months of the year have a statistically significant advantage over those born later. Why? Because the eligibility cutoff for age-class hockey is January 1st. And let's not forget about the Beatles. Their meteoric rise to fame wasn't just about their talent. It was their relentless practice in Hamburg's clubs, playing 7 nights a week, 8 hours per night. These stories challenge our understanding of success and highlight the impact of context and opportunity. Gladwell's Outliers prompts us to reconsider our understanding of success. The book invites us to peer beyond the surface, to delve deeper into the myriad of factors that contribute to extraordinary achievement. It presents us with a refreshing perspective, challenging us to redefine our measures of success. The book's central argument is that success isn't solely the result of individual talent and effort. It's like a puzzle, multifaceted, complex. Exceptional achievement, according to Gladwell, is a cocktail of talent, circumstance, and opportunity. The book asserts that our cultural background, family upbringing, and timing play an instrumental role in shaping our triumphs. It's a call to action for us to appreciate the nuances of our individual journeys, to understand that our paths to success are more than just the sum of our personal efforts. It's about recognizing the importance of context and opportunity in unlocking our potential. Remember, extraordinary success often comes from the interplay of talent, circumstance, and opportunity. How will you redefine your path to success?